Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video of Comptia A Plus, we will do this motherboard exercise. And in this exercise, we will match the different component and connector onto this motherboard picture. So let's get started. So the first component is auxiliary power. So the auxiliary power, what does it do? That it provides additional power if needed. And in the motherboard here, the auxiliary power connector is here, this connector number 5. So we will place the auxiliary power over here. And then the second component is audio connector. So the audio connector where we can connect different audio component, it is here at the number 1. So we will place the audio connector here. And then the next component is PCIe 1. So the PCI stands for Peripheral Component Interconnect Express, and this is basically used to connect different components such as GPU or other memory components. So in this motherboard picture, the PCI connector is here at the number 3. The number 3 here is the PCI component connector. The next is chipset. So the chipset is very clearly visible here at number 4. So we will place, and the chipset is used for as a data flow between different connector of the between different component of the motherboard, such as the data flow between the CPU and other components such as GPU. So we will place the chipset at number 4, and then the SATA connector, and the SATA connector here is in this motherboard, it is at number 2. So these connectors are basically the SATA connector, and the SATA connectors are basically used to connect different hard drive or hard disk. So we will place the SATA at number 2, and then memory. So the memory must be visible to you. The memory here is placed at this number 7. These are the memory connectors, and we call the memory in this case the RAM. So the RAM is basically the memory, and it is the primary memory, and we will place it here at number 7. And the next component is P1 power. So P1 power, this is the P1 power, this is basically the power connector at number 8. So we will place the power connector here, and then the CPU. So the CPU, central processing unit, is basically the heart of the motherboard or the heart of the whole computer system, and it is here visible at number 9. So we will place the CPU at number 9. And the last component is, we have only one slot available, that is the CMOS. And the CMOS is basically, it is a small amount of memory on the motherboard that stores the BIOS settings. So we will place the CMOS at number 6, and let's see and verify that we have placed all the component at their correct places. So let's submit. And yes, we have placed all the component at their respective correct places. So that's all for today. I will record such videos in the future. So if you like this video and want to be notified about the future videos, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye.